Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I'm back with Modern Warfare, Call of Duty stuff, Vanguard and Warzone and everything. Unlock all the services, you know. So currently, as you can see, I'm on a level 1 account here, and I have like basically all the operators, the new one here. So basically I just ran the tool on this brand new account here. And yeah, you see I have everything, so yeah. So if you want anything or need anything, just join my Discord, link in description. This is 2022, June, summer, working, no scam. I took a break, but I'm back now with some more Call of Duty stuff. And yeah, just join Discord and get some stuff. I also sell the tools and everything, so if you're on console, PC, everything works. So yeah, just join the Discord and have a chat. See ya.